Managing data manually can be time consuming and full of errors. But what if every form submission could instantly update your Google Sheets without lifting a finger? In this video, we'll show you exactly how we solve that problem using n8n. First, we open the form we created in n8n and fill in some details. To demonstrate that it works, we also open our Google Sheet, where you can see there are no entries yet. The moment we submit the form, the data appears instantly in the correct fields, proving that everything is connected properly. Now, let's see how this flow was built in n8n. We start by searching for and adding the form. Here, we define the fields we want to collect, such as name, email, or any other information we need. After giving the form a title, we can instantly test it. And as you can see, a fully functional form is generated. This becomes the first step in our automation flow. Next, we want the submitted data to be stored in Google Sheets. So, we add the Google Sheets to the flow. From here, we choose the action called append row, which means each new form submission will create a fresh entry in our sheet. At this stage, we connect our credentials, and it then let us either use existing credentials or create new ones. We also configure the resource and operation settings, which define how the data will be handled. Finally, we select the specific Google Sheet document where we want the data to appear. Once the link to the sheet is provided, everything is set up and ready to go. From now on, each form submission will automatically populate the sheet, just as we demonstrated earlier. With this setup, you no longer need to manually copy and paste form responses into spreadsheets. n8n takes care of it for you. Fast, simple, and fully automated. Try it out and see how it can streamline your workflows.